Supreme Court justices cast serious doubt on TikTok's free speech arguments in a case that will decide the future of an app that is used by 170 million Americans. TikTok is fighting a law passed by Congress last year that requires its parent company to sell it or be prohibited from operating in the United States. Unless the justices strike down the law or delay its implementation, the most popular short-form video app in the country will disappear from app stores on January 19th. The justices were skeptical from the very beginning when Justice Clarence Thomas asked the app's lawyers this question.
Exactly what is TikTok's speech here?
The attorneys argued their speech is their algorithm, which suggests content for users based on their personal traits, preferences, and consumption habits. Chief Justice John Roberts pointed out that the free speech argument does not address Congress's stated intention for passing the law.
And it seems to me that you're ignoring the major concern here of Congress, which was Chinese manipulation of the content and acquisition and harvesting of the content.
Arguing on behalf of the federal government, Solicitor General Elizabeth Prelogar said the law has a laser-like focus on the national security threat.
No one disputes that the PRC seeks to undermine U.S. interests by amassing vast quantities of sensitive data about Americans and by engaging in covert influence operations. The Chinese government could weaponize TikTok at any time to harm the United States.
And if you just mean what's covert is the fact that there's China behind it, I mean, honestly, really, like everybody does know now that there's China behind it.
Justice Gorsuch questioned Prelogar's reasoning that manipulated content could be harmful.
If that's true, then wouldn't that be true for all social media companies, for all content?
If the TikTok law goes into effect, current users will still have the app on their phone and will likely be able to use it. The law prohibits new downloads and updates, so it should keep working for current users until they update their phone, which will make it no longer compatible with the phone's operating system, at which point it will stop working. I'm Ray Bogan for Straight Arrow News. For more reporting, download the SAN app.